I love this time of year for so many reasons, but number one, because the fabrics are amazing. So many of the designers are clearing out, and just the bargains are amazing. So we're going to pass those on. This is a beautiful, this is 100% cotton. 100% cotton, it's navy, it's a knit. It's, you know, it's a knit with some body. So it could do yoga pants easily. It's just a nice weight. But like I said, 100% cotton, and it's something that could go year round. It's really, really pretty. This is a damask. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. We had this on the fabric sale, but there's just a little bit left of it. Oh, these are all $9.99, you guys. There's just such a small amount left. We're just trying to kind of almost clean up with these. $9.99. This is 100% wool. You know, it feels like it's a crepe. Feels like a stretch. I mean, it's a stretch woven. Beautiful pair of pants. I mean, beautiful pants and jacket would be absolutely stunning. Cape would be beautiful out of this. 100% wool. It's $12.99. We're just kind of giving this away. Yeah, it's 100% wool. That teal color is just stunning. It's beautiful. This is 100% wool. Is $9.99. I love the line in this. It is a woven. It's beautiful. Again, just such great drape. Oh, the fabrics. This is 100% cotton. I love this. It's kind of just a real, it's a knit. It has stretch in both directions, just like something you just cuddle up to. Perfect on the couch, especially this time of year. Stretch in both directions. 100% cotton, really pretty pink. And then this is a wool silk. This is really an all year round piece. Beautiful piece of fabric. It is a stretch woven. I don't know what else to say except it's stunning. This one's $12.99. There's two that are $12.99. Everything else is $9.99. But this piece is just gorgeous. This is, again, a color that could go year round. It's a big color for spring. It's been popular for fall, but it continues into spring. So the goal is, you guys, you know, it's so fun to bring you these fabrics at just these ridiculous prices, but happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.